I have all these job titles and duties and descriptions, but I am here to create smiles.
Finding not only purpose, but joy through recovery.
I'm here to be an example of what is possible, so I emulate the spirit of recovery while I walk through these halls.
Every day Mike Hovey goes to work, he brings his journey through addiction with him.
There really is like a recovery triathlon that people come in here, it's mental, physical, and emotional. It's a battle.
He's the patient care supervisor at Fora Health, an addiction treatment and recovery center in Southeast Portland.
Every success story is a miracle in recovery. It truly is. And I know I am a walking evidence-based miracle, and I get to be part of and witness miracles every day.
It's a job and life Hovey didn't know he could have after years of drug addiction and crime.
I started young. I was a ward of the court. From 15 to 21, I was more incarcerated than on the streets.
He says in those formative years, he adopted a distorted view of the world and didn't see another way of living. By the time he was 21, he was a 2-time felon, using intravenous drugs and cooking meth.
I was a father, I was a husband, and an addict, and lost.
At 30, he hit rock bottom. Back in trouble with the law, he lost his family and started to make a change.
I really was able to see my world crumbling and seeing the patterns.
It would take another 5 years of self-work to reach sobriety.
When I look back on it, it just really led me to this point. If I didn't light those fires in hell, I wouldn't be able to touch the lives that I touch today. Like, I needed that darkness and that contrast to truly have the effect and the ability to really just captivate hearts and give them hope.
And he says that hope is needed more than ever as the fentanyl crisis grips our community. Oregon is the second worst state in the U.S. for addiction, according to a survey from the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Service Administration. The state fell to 50th in access to treatment, with 18% of Oregonians needing but not receiving treatment.
We definitely have a crisis in our community, right? Portland's on the map. Well, we're bad here for our addiction problem, and I truly feel we have a plague on our streets.
He's doing his part every day with every connection he makes at Fora Health, sharing the joy he found through recovery.
To be able to just not exist in this world, but to live. I'm finally alive.
And many of the people Mike has helped have gone on to become advocates and peer specialists themselves. Mike is in Los Angeles right now at the National Council of Well-Being Conference, where he will receive the Peer Specialist of the Year award. Congratulations, Mike.